If you take charred smoky chicken tikka so tender it practically falls apart and steam it right into a bed of fluffy spice-infused rice, you get this. The aroma when you lift this lid is unbelievable, and every single grain is dripping with juicy barbecue flavor. If you are cooking for people you love anytime soon, skip the biryani and make this instead. We're starting with 2 kilograms of mixed cut chicken. Give it a thorough wash, strain the excess water and place it in a pot with 2 liters of water. One tablespoon of salt, 1 cinnamon stick, 4 to 5 cloves, 4 green cardamoms, 1 black cardamom and 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Bring it to a boil for exactly 10 minutes on high flame, no more than that. We just want to firm up the chicken while creating 2 liters of rich homemade stock. Strain the chicken out and set that stock aside. While the meat cools, take 1 kilogram plus 1 extra cup of long grain rice, which is total 5 cups. Wash it thoroughly and leave it to soak for 20 to 30 minutes. For the tikka marinade, whisk together 1 cup of thick yogurt, 1 teaspoon of mustard paste, 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of dried fenugreek leaves, 2 tablespoons of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Add 1 tablespoon of salt, half a tablespoon of garam masala or whole spice powder, half a teaspoon of freshly crushed black pepper, 1 tablespoon of tandoori masala and 1 tablespoon of tikka masala and half a teaspoon of baking soda. A pinch of orange food color. Normally baking soda is most effective on raw chicken, but even with this partially cooked chicken, a tiny amount can still help the surface brown nicely and stay juicy during shallow frying. The key is to use only a little. Coat the chicken completely in that spice paste and rest it for 10 minutes. Heat 1.5 cups of oil in your main cooking pot and shallow fry the pieces on high heat just until they get those deep golden brown barbecue spots. Take them out once they look beautiful, but keep all the leftover marinade and pan oil. That's liquid gold for our rice. In that same oil, fry 2 thinly sliced large onions until they are translucent with 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 5 cloves, 6 green cardamoms, 2 black cardamoms, 4 bay leaves, and 1 teaspoon of black peppercorns. Let the onions fry until golden brown. Splash in a little water to stop the browning. Then cook 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste for 1 minute until the raw smell is gone. Toss in 2 chopped medium tomatoes. Cover until soft and then pour in all that leftover chicken marinade along with 4 to 5 whole green chilies, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder and 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. Stir and cook this masala on low flame for 4 to 5 minutes to build up all those deep flavors. Add 1 tablespoon of salt, Pour in 1 liter of that reserved chicken stock, plus 1.5 liters of tap water, making 2.5 liters of liquid total for our 5 cups of rice. Taste for salt, I added a little extra salt and 1 chicken stock cube. Once it hits a rolling boil, drain your soaked rice and drop it in. Cook on the highest flame for about 10 minutes until the water evaporates and steam bubbles pop through the top. Now lay all your fried chicken tikka pieces right over the rice. Top with fresh coriander, mint, green chilies and a splash of orange food color. Seal the pot tightly with aluminum foil and the lid. Drop the heat to the lowest setting and let it steam for 20 minutes. Carefully take off the foil. Watch out for that hot steam. Now for the game changer, place a glowing charcoal piece on a small piece of foil right in the center. Drizzle a drop of oil over it and trap that rich smoke inside for 2 minutes. And look at that! Every single grain of rice is separate, fragrant and infused with authentic barbecue smoke. Give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and leave a comment to let me know how yours turned out. See you in the next recipe. Thanks for watching. Bye!